Hey guys, welcome to Swhizz Technologies. Today we are going to talk about Salesforce's deployment using unmanaged packages. Okay, so I'm going to talk about what is the deployment, why deployment is needed, how can we deploy, what is a package, the difference between managed and unmanaged packages, and how to deploy using unmanaged packages. Okay, fine. So deployment. What is a deployment exactly? So the deployment is nothing but a procedure where you are going to move an application from one environment to another environment. And the final deployment, that is the application going into the production environment, is also called as go live. Okay, let us see a couple of pictures to make you understand what is deployment exactly. So I'm having an environment here where I'm having production, dev sandbox, QA sandbox, and UAT sandbox. So we develop the application in the dev sandbox, and we want that to be available in the QA sandbox. And the process of moving it from dev sandbox to QA sandbox is called deployment. And the same goes with the other environments as well. Right, guys? Right. Now the question comes here is why deploy? Why deployment is needed? So because different people will be working in different environments. So developers will be working in dev sandbox, specialists will be working in QA sandbox, UAT people working in UAT sandbox as well as end users will be using the application in the production. We can't do everything in the same environment. So the workload is being shared between different people in different environments here. Okay, this will ensure the proper delivery of the software to the end user. Okay, fine. Now how how can we deploy, how can we deploy the things here? So deployment can be done via many processes. The first one is using unmanaged packages, managed packages, workbench, so change sets, SFDX, CLI, command line arguments interfaces, so Visual Studio Code, JIT, and CI/CD gears, and many more couple of tools like Copado, so Flowsum, etc., etc., etc. Okay. So now, what is a package? What is a package in Salesforce? In Salesforce, a package is a container which can be as small as an individual container having no data and as large as a set of related applications of a project to be installed in future. Packages can be created and distributed across users and organizations without being connected to the origin Salesforce org. That is, you can create a package from one Salesforce org, which you can call it as origin Salesforce org or source Salesforce org. And any Salesforce org which is not connected to this also, you can simply send the data, send this package data, distribute this package data to them very easily. Okay. So packages in Salesforce are of two types. The first one is unmanaged packages, and the second one is managed packages. Let us see the differences between these two packages, managed versus unmanaged packages. Let us talk about the managed package first. Code is hidden and intellectual property is protected. Intellectual property rights are protected here, and the code is hidden, so the end user will not be able to see what code is actually written here and can be submitted to security review. We need to have somebody to review the things before the deployment. That can be done here, and it is fully upgradable. Once we deliver the package to other people after the install, also we can add more changes to it, and then so the things will be sent to them. All of these things will happen. Provider is responsible for the bug fixes. If any problem is occurring, so the provider who has provided the package in the origin package is responsible for it, and it costs money. It can cost money. Destructive changes like removing objects or, I mean, forcible removal of changes in the package are completely removed here. So we can ensure the data safety. It doesn't count against the organization limits after passing security review so that we can install any number of this. Then installable from App Exchange or via an install link. So you can also put this managed packages inside the App Exchange for other people to be able to install them. Namespacing is also available here so that no name conflicts will be occurring between the components after installation. Let us understand unmanaged package. Code is visible and can be edited by anyone in the Salesforce organization. So safety is not at all available here. So it doesn't need any security reviews in order to install it. So it is not upgradable at all. So installer is responsible for the bug fixes. So the provider is not responsible at all. Always free it is. can make any destructive changes which we are not going to ensure any data safety here, and always counts against organization limits. It is not installable from the app exchange. Just using package IDs and links we can install it, and no unique naming is allowed. So these are the problems we are having with the unmanaged package. So managed package might look very tempting to you, and the unmanaged package also might look tempting to you. So based upon your actual requirements here. So you can go to whatever you like to. But so let us see how are we going to deploy the things. What is the deployment process we are going to use in order to do the things. So I am going to take a Salesforce or Salesforce developer or which is going to have a production environment, and also another one. We will call the first one as the source org and the second one as the destination org. So I am going to develop an application. I already developed an application in the production of the source org, and we want to deploy that in the production of the what org? That is the destination org. So I have my both Salesforce org ready for me. So this is the Salesforce org called Swhizz Mentor, and this is the Salesforce org of the Swhizz Mentee. Okay, now what is that I want to do is, so I want to show you an application that I have developed here called Recruitment app. The recruitment app is available in which a custom object called candidates is available. Some fields are available in that one, and some different data is available, right? Right. Now let us verify whether the same application is available in the destination org. No, in the destination org, we are not having any application called recruitment app. So what is that we need to do? In order to create the package in the Salesforce source org, we need to go to setup. So we need to go to apps, packaging, go to the package manager. Go to the package manager. See here, just to create a new package. So just give some name for the package. I'm going to give a recruitment app package. So as you are in the Salesforce developer edition, so you cannot create managed packages here. So please do not worry about that. So if you have any configure link and all, we can use them here. So any after any errors are there, you want to get notified using an Apex and all, you can link the Apex class here. You can provide some description, whatever you like to here, and click on save. So the package is actually ready, but the creating is not over it because you need to add the components that you want to send to the destination org. So click on add. So what are the things that are available? See, you can add any of the Salesforce metadata here, any of the Salesforce metadata. So, and one more advantage of this package manager here is you select the application and click add to package. And for to your wondering, so you will get all the things that are used in the application along with the layouts, compact layouts, as well as each and everything that is available here. See, even the utility bar is also available. Even the utility bar is also available here. So once we added the components that we want to add into this package, we are just going to click on the upload. Let us wait for it. And you give the some version name like a recruitment app. So March 2023. Okay. Then if you have any release notes for those people who are going to use this URL, so you can provide a URL. After installation, you want to provide something, those things you can provide here. You can also secure this one by giving a package password. So using which only they can access. And you have some package requirements so that you can ensure the end user is having them. So then only he can install these things. Okay. Let us not worry about these trivial matters. And then just click on upload. So it is uploading the version 1.0 right now. So the upload has been completed and you can see that there is a installation URL provided to us. Just to get that and go to your destination org, you paste the URL, click on enter. So it will ask you to log in as your where you want to install it. You have to log in with that credentials and click on login. So you have logged in here and you can see the package details. You can see the package details. See? So if existing name conflicts are there, you can go for renaming. You want only for admins, or you want for installation for everybody, or you want to go for specific profiles. You can go to there. You can click on view components to see what are the components that are included in the package, and then simply click on install. Look at that. The package installation is complete. Click on done to get back to your force.com platform, and you can see in the installed packages what package has been installed. See, the limits are being applied here. The limits are being applied here. So let us go to our force.com platform and go to your app launcher. Click on view all, and there you go. Your recruitment app that was available in the source org is ready, and you can use it however you want. See, you can also see the list views are also coming up here with all the customization changes that you have done. And I click on new, I can create a new candidate record. So that's how simple it is to create a package and install the components from one Salesforce org to another Salesforce org. So what did we do is, so we have created the package in the source org. So we added the components, we uploaded the components, and we shared the package URL. And in the destination org, we have opened the package URL, we have installed for you all the users, and we have verified the install. So this is how we are going to perform deployment using packages. So I hope everybody got a better understanding of how to deploy using packages. So, switch technologies. So, our mission is to make more and more people employable to become trusted choices in the marketing competitive environment. So, we have 8 years of skilling experience. We are currently operating in Telangana. We have almost placed 3,000 plus people in MNCs, and we provide 100% impeccable placements. We have trained more than 5,000 people, and we provide services like classroom training, online training, career building program, internship program, as well as corporate training. So if you want to know more information about us, please feel free to contact our counselor of our corporate office as well as the branch office. Thank you very much, everybody. Next week, we are going to come up with one more new video. So please subscribe to our channel and follow our Telegram too. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye bye. Have a good day.